A man eating a dish. Spices pork rib broth dishes. Table of contents. Ingredients starts on page 3. Recipe starts on page 5. Pork rib 600 grams. 1 onion. 9 garlic. 1 green onion. 2 chili. 2 potato. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoon red pepper paste gochujang. 3 tablespoons sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon pepper. 5 tablespoon chili powder. 1 cup of soju. You don't have to add these ingredients. Vietnam dry chilies. Winter mushroom. Cellophane noodles. First, put 1 cup soju in meat, 2 tablespoons sugar and marinate for 30 to 1 hour. Second, rinse the meat out of blood and boil it in water. At this time, add 1/4 piece onion and 2 garlic and bring to a boil. Third, the others minced garlic. Fourth, cut the green onions. Fifth, cut the onions. Sixth, chop the peppers. Seventh, boil the meat once and bring it out. When the water boils up, you can rescue it. Eighth, cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Make a sauce. Crushed garlic, 1.5 tablespoons red pepper paste, gochujang, 5 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons water. 10th, add sauce and put potatoes, onions, and Vietnam dried chilies. 11th, after 15 minutes, add the green onions and peppers. 12th, add the noodles and the winter mushrooms.